Hello everyone, in today's video, let's talk about GNU Octave versus MATLAB. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is GNU Octave. Basically with this one, it's completely free and open source. They are very similar syntax to MATLAB, and it's great for students and basic engineering math work. Now, this is best for learning and budget users. Meanwhile, for MATLAB, they have paid professional softwares by MathWorks. They are faster, more polished, and more powerful. They have better toolboxes, simulations, AI, and industry support. Overall, this is best for professional engineering and research. Basically, if you're just a student and you want to use the tools for free, you want to navigate through Octave. But if you're a professional and you have more advanced work, I suggest using MATLAB. And so those are the quick reviews or comparison about these two softwares. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.